This program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it gripped its giant.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Spring monster in the sky, my home is out, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Come on, this way.
Situation is under control. Security in charge. Spread out and lock it down.
Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 99.